So this is my cheap veteran Sherman stand that I made. This is just like a dolly. I bought that at Harbor Freight Tools for around $8 or so. The wheels on it so I can spin it around. Then on this side, put 2 pieces of wood on top. It's a 2x4 and a 3x4. And you notice it's just ever so slightly outside on this one. You see that to make it fit properly. But anyways, you get the tire in between here. This piece will rest on the bottom of the foot pegs over there. I'll show you in a minute. And then you can move your wheel around easily in your garage or wherever you keep it. So here the wheel is sitting on my little stand. It's you can see here how it's resting on that 2x3 right here underneath the foot pegs, and then this gives it enough clearance for that framing around here to stay clear, and then the tire rests in between very nicely, and then you can move it around as much as you want with the wheels, and it's easy. Also, you can lay it down. You can lay the wheel down this way. It fits perfectly in between. And then if you had to do something on the tire or something, it's sitting sideways now. Or you can just lift it up.